Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Spotify account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface of Explore page. Now, in order to delete your Spotify account, you need to go to your profile. You can see your profile icon at the top left corner over here. Tap on it. Now once you're in your profile settings page, you can see the settings and privacy option. Tap on it. Now on the settings page, you can see the account settings option at the top. Tap on it. Now in this page, you will see the close your account link over here. So if you want to delete your Spotify account permanently, you can choose this option and it will ask you several questions and verifications before deleting your account. You can give your answers accordingly. You can simply tap on continue to close your account. Follow along other processes. That's how you can proceed to delete your Spotify account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.